name is Sheila Britt. I live in Clarkston, Washington, which is right on the Idaho border. I have previously been an investor back probably 15 years ago, and I was buying houses on the courthouse steps. I would fix them and flip them. I'm a licensed general contractor there. I did that until I moved to North Carolina, and once I moved there, the rules changed, and they got to hold on to my money for up to 60 days before I could touch the house. And I said, nope, I'm not gonna play this game. I didn't know there was anything creative financing wise. I didn't know that side of the business. I actually heard Whit on a podcast, and once I started looking up stuff looking at Whit and watching her videos and stuff, I said, this is who I want to hang out with. After joining First Deal Done Fast, I hit the ground running, and my very first deal was a wholesale deal, and I made 13 grand on that. And then within another month, I did a owner finance property. It all works well, and now I've got several deals under contract now, and I was just waiting for my close. Anybody out there that is interested in having a hands-on, personal touch coach, Whitney's the one you want to follow. She is all about women investors, but there's a lot of guys in the group. I think it's good for anybody who has any interest in being an investor. Whitney is the one that can talk you through it and get the cobwebs out of your head and teach you the ropes.